Everyone knows NVIDIA. Its remarkable rise has become one of the biggest stories in the stock market. Whenever people talk about artificial intelligence, NVIDIA is usually the first company that comes to mind. But here's what many investors don't realize. AI is much bigger than a single company. Behind every AI chatbot, image generator, recommendation engine, and autonomous system is a massive network of companies working together behind the scenes. Some provide the chips, some provide the networking equipment. Others provide the cloud infrastructure and data centers that make AI possible. Today, we'll explore the hidden companies powering the AI boom and why investors are paying close attention to them. Chapter 1. The AI Ecosystem. To understand the AI opportunity, we first need to understand how AI actually works. When you ask an AI system a question, the answer doesn't magically appear. The request travels through networks, reaches powerful servers, accesses enormous amounts of data, and is processed by advanced computer chips. This entire process depends on a huge technology ecosystem. Think of AI as a modern city. Companies like NVIDIA may provide the computing engines, but many other companies build the roads, power stations, communication networks, and infrastructure that keep everything running. Without that infrastructure, AI simply wouldn't function. The AI revolution is not being built by one company. It's being built by an entire ecosystem working together. Chapter 2. Powering the AI Revolution. Every AI model requires enormous computing power. Training advanced AI systems can involve thousands of processors working together around the clock. That requires massive infrastructure. Modern data centers contain rows of servers, networking equipment, cooling systems, backup power systems, and sophisticated management software. As AI adoption grows, companies around the world are investing billions of dollars into expanding this infrastructure. Many investors focus only on software and AI applications. But without the physical infrastructure underneath, none of those applications could exist. The demand for computing power is creating opportunities across the entire technology sector. Chapter 3. The network behind AI. One of the most overlooked parts of the AI revolution is networking. AI systems depend on thousands of servers communicating with each other at incredible speeds. The faster data can move, the more efficiently AI systems can operate. This is where networking companies become important. Companies such as Broadcom and Arista Networks help build the high-speed connections that allow AI infrastructure to function. As AI models continue growing in size and complexity, demand for faster and more efficient networking solutions may continue to increase. For investors, this highlights an important lesson. The AI boom is not only about processors, it's also about the companies connecting everything together. Chapter 4. Cloud and Data Centers. Another critical piece of the AI puzzle is cloud computing. Most businesses cannot afford to build their own AI infrastructure. Instead, they rent computing resources from large cloud providers. Companies such as Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet have invested billions of dollars building global cloud platforms. These platforms allow businesses to access advanced computing resources without making enormous upfront investments. At the same time, data centers have become one of the most important foundations of the AI economy. They provide the power, cooling, storage, networking, and reliability needed to support modern AI workloads. As AI adoption expands, demand for cloud services and data center capacity is expected to grow as well. Chapter 5. Investor Takeaway. When most people think about AI investing, they focus on a single company. But successful investing often involves looking beyond the obvious headlines. The AI revolution may create opportunities across multiple industries. Semiconductor companies, networking providers, cloud platforms, data center operators, software developers, and many others. The key lesson is simple. AI is an ecosystem, not a single stock. Understanding that ecosystem can help investors gain a broader perspective on where value may be created in the years ahead. Conclusion: artificial intelligence may be one of the most important technological shifts of our generation. But behind every breakthrough is a vast network of companies making it possible. While NVIDIA receives much of the attention, the broader AI ecosystem includes networking companies, cloud providers, infrastructure operators, and technology leaders that all play important roles. For investors, understanding these hidden players can provide a deeper perspective on the opportunities emerging from the AI revolution. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Tech Investor USA for more insights on technology investing, AI trends, and the companies shaping the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.